In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the caps on your shape in Photoshop. So here I have a line shape, and you can see my caps are rounded. I have another version here where the caps are called butt caps. They're the more 90-degree angle endpoints that you see here that are not rounded. And both types of caps make sense kind of depending on the type of project you're working on. But for my sake, I want the rounded caps on this project. So I'll show you how to get both, and let's just start from scratch. So I need a new layer, and I need to be in the pen tool here to draw out a line. So you want to make sure that you're in shape mode on the top left-hand corner. If you're in path, you'll be creating a path, which is something entirely different and useful in many cases. But when you want to see what you're drawing and you want it to be a shape, make sure you're in shape mode. And for my case, I'm making a line, so I want no fill, which would be this little red slash mark here. And that means there's no fill. And also I need a stroke so that there's an outline to the line. And I picked the color I wanted and also the pixel size, which is 12 pixels in this case. Play around with it, see what you like. Also, this drop down here, you can choose a solid line, which is what I want, or you can choose dotted lines. And I'm going to keep it like that and draw out what I want. So I'm going to start at the beginning and hold down my left mouse button as I pull out to create those Bezier handles that will create a smooth line. And then I'm going to pick a midpoint about here. Same thing, I'm holding down my left mouse, dragging out, not too far though. I don't want my Bezier handles to be too long. And I'll pick the final point, same thing, hold it down, drag it out, and we're good. So if I click out, I can see the ends of these lines. They're hard ends. Those are butt caps. So it's defaulting to the butt cap option, and I want to change that. So I need to click back on my layer that I'm working on, and you can see it's active because it's got that blue line through it. And I'm going to go back up to the top where I have this drop down here, and it's got the solid line, but it also has caps with a drop down. So this is the option where we can change our caps, and we have the butt cap that I was talking about that just ends abruptly with those 90-degree angles. Then we have the rounded cap. So if I hit that, you could see already those ends are now rounded, and that looks a little smoother. And there's another option. It's the projected cap, I think it's called, and it extends beyond the final point just a touch. So it's very much like a butt cap, but a little bit extended. I'm going to go back in, switch it to the rounded caps, and that is what I wanted. So if I click outside of that layer, I can really see it without the blue line, and it looks good and it's ready to go. Remember, you can always go back into your shape's path by being in the pen tool and then just control clicking on the shape itself, and you can see all of the points and move them around if you hold the control button. You can also move their handles too, just hold down control. And yeah, you have a lot of options, and you can change things about this, and you can always default to a different cap if that's what you want later on. So this is it. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, check out my playlist in Photoshop for more. And thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.